What I'm going to show you now is how to sync the folders or channels that are created within team sites so that they are accessible on your local machine. So what you need to do is you need to go to the team site where the channels or the folders are located. And you can see here, this is our Timberline Department resource, and we have some channels that we have created for each of our curricular areas. So if I want to sync maybe just the specific English folder onto my local machine, I can do that. Or I can sync all of the folders within this one team site very easily with one click of the button. So how do we do that? We go over to our Files tab up top here, and what that will do is that will show all the files within the channel I have selected on the left. So right now I have General selected, so then I see those files. If I go through and click on the other channels selected here, those are the files that I will see. So if I go back over to the files here, now there is a sync button right here, but that only syncs this one folder or channel that is within your team site. If you click on Open in SharePoint, and you might even see this link within your file menu right here. You might not have to click on those ellipses, but if you click on there, what that does is it opens it up in the web storage where all our documents are stored within here. So it's automatically logging me in here because I am on a school district device. If you are at home, you might have to log in using your Microsoft Office credentials. So now what I'm looking at is I'm looking at specifically the Applied Arts folder within my document storage. If I click on Documents here, if I just go back one, what I'm going to see now is I'm going to see all my channels or all my file folders within that one team site. If I click right now, sync, what that will do is that will create a local copy of all these folders onto my machine. If I want to be selective and only select a few of them, I can go up to my English. Now I'm in the Documents English department, and that will sync everything within that English department folder. I click on my sync button, a little message will come up here. What it's doing is it's actually using the OneDrive application to sync it to my File Explorer. So if I click down on my little File Explorer down here and open up that window to see all the different folders on my machine, I actually will open up this School District 72. So it might be closed to start. If I expand that arrow right there and open it up, there you can see I have synced just that one folder from my Department Resource team site, and I've synced the English. If I expand that, all the folders within there I can now see. If I double click on it, I will see those folders within my window right here. Now I can easily access those. This will open easily up in a Word document. I can drag and drop folders into here. I can move them. One very important note to consider: whatever you do here will reflect on the shared team space. So if you delete a folder from here, you are permanently deleting it from the shared space that everybody else has access to. The other thing that you can do is from your staff site that everybody has, which is an important resource as well. So with us, we've started sharing our school-based team stuff, our staff committee, and for me, this is where I put all my technology files that my staff needs to access. So instead of me having to go into here every single time, what I have done is I have actually synced the whole SD72 Timberline staff site so that I can very easily access these and look at them.